Welcome to Kim's Creations. Oh, we are gonna have some fun today. I have never used a split cup before, and that's exactly what this is. It is a 5-chamber, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, 5-chamber cup. And I'm going to be layering the paints in each one of these chambers and then pouring it out on the canvas and then turning the canvas. So I got to show you my little setup here. So I've got this 12 by 12 inch gallery wrapped canvas. I put the push pins on it because once I'm done doing everything with this, I need to be able to set it down somewhere and still have it up off the base. So that's why the push pins are in. I have my turntable, and because I had the push pins in on this, they were dragging on the ground just a bit. So I had to get creative and lift my turntable up. So I've just used these dollar store napkin rings, which I also use for my open cup pours. So I set that on that. That's nice and stable. And then the canvas on top of the spinner. And there we have it. So let's get that centered again. My colors today, I'm going to be using, what is this color? It's I believe just purple by Montmart. Let me see, what is it? Yeah, purple by Montmart. That's this one. I've got 24K gold by Deco Art. And Arteza's Bordeaux red. This is a mix of different purples, so I have no idea what's all is in here, but it's shimmery. And this is another, I believe this is Deco Art as well in bronze. Leftover paints. So I just thought I would play with those. And all right, let's get started layering this up. I'm gonna do half in there. I may switch up the order of the paints on the way back so that I'm not layering the same paints in the same cups or in the same divisions, but we'll see. Because I also don't have the same amount of paint for each one. So who knows what'll actually transpire. My paints are all pretty thick, and I want them pretty thick for this type of technique because I want the lines to remain pretty pretty distinct. I think I'm going to go backwards now. So I'll put the copper over here on top of that purple. Copper and purple should look really good together. I'm going to leave a little bit of that drag there. I'll put this light glittery purple over the gold, and I'll finish this little cup out. All right, that one's done. Uh-oh, the red's gonna be on the red though. That can't happen. So we're gonna swap these up. I'm gonna put the red over that copper. And that'll definitely look good. And the gold over the purple, the sparkly purple, mystery purple. It's always good when you get to clean up your your extra paints and do something new all in one go. There we go. I'm gonna put the dark, oh, I was gonna put the dark purple on the red here. The Bordeaux red. All right, and I'm gonna put Bordeaux red, just finish this little bit that I have here. Am I gonna do that? No, I don't think I will. I think I need to put the copper. Oh, do I want the copper there though? This is the problem. This is the problem when you mix things up. I'm gonna have to go with the dark purple on this second one here. And they will be side by side, but what can you do? All right, that cup is cleaned. That cup is cleaned. All right, we just have a little bit left. I want to try and even up the cups a little bit. So I am gonna put, what am I gonna put? I'm gonna put some red on this one. This one slot's gonna be interesting. It's got so many colors, so many layers on it. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the bronze in this cup. Needed a thicker layer. So they've all got 2 layers-ish, with the exception of the second one in from the left, my left. Okay. So here are my colors in this cup. I'm just going to spread that out. Alrighty, let's see what happens. I'm gonna just hold my finger here until all those colors get together. Wonder if my paint is too thick or something. These colors are great together though. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens when we spin this out. And yes, we're gonna spin it out. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish this off with a little ring pour. Ugh. All right, I'm gonna fix that little tail here. Just drag that around. There. Okay, that's pretty cool looking. I'll torch out the bubbles. There is a lot of shimmering going on in there. Okay, I'm a little bit scared about the spinning. I'm gonna spin gently. Weight of the paint's a little off center. Let's see what happens now. Oh, I love how this is opening up. That is looking really cool. Oh, I kind of shoved it. Kind of shoved the canvas off the spinner. Let's go around the other way and see what happens. So far the drips aren't going too crazy. I'm liking that part. We are almost over all 4 edges with the exception of this big one here. I think I'm going to help this. Help that along. Just wet the canvas, it'll help pull that paint over. Let's see what happens now. Okay, we're getting there. Just this one side. I'm going to help it, bring it back a little bit. Try and get that centered. Ooh! Ah, something's not quite right there. There, that should be better. It's not. Okay, what is happening here? Ha! Look at that. I am just going to try and center this a little more, so I'm just going to tip it. Okay. I think I'm done. I think I am done. I'm going to take my gloves off. And we'll bring you in for a close-up. I'm also going to do one last little torch. There we go. That was a fun one. Okay, here is the close-up. Check that out. I love all the colors in this, and the definition is definitely there. I think my camera is doing something weird with the colors, but there it is. It is going to be very sparkly because of all the metallics. There were only 2 non-metallics in this one. So tell me what you think. it was certainly fun. This was a quick video. And yeah, tell me what you think in the comments below. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. And the next time I upload a video, you'll be notified. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.